Good morning, sweetie. Your cousin Eli wants you to say hi to him. Good morning. And you can say hi to your cousin Layla too, and Uncle Carlos, and Auntie Shirley. Do some jumping. Let's see it. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. There you go. Do more. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Can you say how you've been saying mama? Mama. 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 Love. Mama. Mama. Whoa. Say hi, cousins. I love you. Better go take care of Tucker.